Okay guys, I just want to go over how you're going to access the videos for the flipped learning. So most of the videos, if you notice, are going to be usually going over the first problem. The reason why is that way it gives us a little bit more time in class, so that way we can get through the whole lesson. So videos are going to be posted on Google Classroom. They're going to look like this. I'm setting up as questions, but I may change it just to announcements, but we'll see how this one. You don't actually have to respond here. I'd ask your questions here, but you can if you'd like to. But I'm also going to require that you record in your notes. That way you have it in your notes to respond in class, because we'll go over the questions in class. So these guided questions are something you should be going over in your notebook as you are watching the video. And the video is just right here, and you'll click on that video and it'll pop up, and then you can actually just watch this video. Now I want to show you how to set up your notebook. So you're going to be doing this in your classwork notebook. So this is something you're going to have to do. And what you're going to do is you're going to need to fold the page here. So folding the page, you're going to set up Cornell Notes so you can see it's all folded right there. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is title it. So I've titled Lesson 212. That's because right here it says Lesson 212. Okay, so the other thing you notice here is I wrote the guided questions. So the guided questions are the ones right here I have posted on Google Classroom, these guided questions right here. And then you're going to want to record them down. Okay, make sure you give yourself space. And then after that, you're going to want to watch the movie or the video. And make sure you do pause it as you are watching it, replay it if you need to, watch as many times as necessary to make sure that you take notes. Okay, where you're going to take your notes is going to be down below. So notes from video, and you're going to take your notes right here. Okay, and so you're watching the video, take your notes, and then you're going to want to write down your answers to the guided questions as you're watching the video too. So you're going to need to pause it when you see the answer, or you're going to need to replay it if you missed it. Okay, the other thing in your notes you're going to want to do is write a questions to clarify. Just because you're watching a video and I'm teaching you something doesn't mean you're going to understand everything I say. So you want to make sure you write down a question, clarify, so that we can go over it in class, because you really can't ask me questions at home because I'm not here. I'm not at your house to answer your questions. So, and it would be kind of strange anyways. So this is how you set up your notes. So you want to make sure that you have your guided questions written down, notes from video, which are taken down here, and make sure you have your title. And this is what I'm going to be checking off for homework. So you notice here we're not going to be doing the review previews as much, but will be assigning them, but I'm not going to assign them the same time you have to watch a video. Also, the videos are not going to be assigned daily. You're not going to get a video for every lesson. It's the ones where I think we need more time, and I need to do some front loading with you, meaning prepare you for that lesson so that we don't have to talk so much and I don't have to do so much direct instruction. Okay, so I hope this helps you out. Make sure you play this again if you do need help. Okay.